cuts through the pine. He walks where no one's walking, just a shadow out of time. They say he's wild, they say he's strange, a monster folks can't see. But maybe he's just tired of living where the world won't let him be. He can't walk among the people, they chase him down for sure. Snap his picture, sell the story, turn his silence into lore. So he hides behind the thunder, where the creeks still talk at night. Bigfoot's just a dreamer who never got it right. Once he watched a campfire burning, heard a fiddle on the hill, saw the laughter and the loving, and it nearly broke his will. He took one step towards a clearing, then the flashlights cut the dark, and all that hope of being human faded like a spark. He can't walk among the people, they'd cage him up for fame, call him legend, call him liar, but never learn his name. So he roams those piney hollers like a ghost that never died. Bigfoot's just a brother on the other side, yeah. Maybe God made him in the image of the wild we left behind, so we'd never stop remembering the beast within the kind. He can't walk among the people, but he's closer than they know. Every man who's felt unwanted, every heart that can't let go. In the hush before the sunrise, in the wind that shakes the trees, that's Bigfoot humming softly, singing, let me be.